Gilson Rotary sifters and silent sifters are a fast, safe, and effective tool for particle size separation of granular material and are designed for a long service life. Before performing maintenance or repairs on the unit, always read and understand the safety, operating, and maintenance instructions supplied with the unit. If you find the machine is generating excessive noise and/or vibration during operation, first check if the sieve stack is properly seated and in contact with the rubber-coated rollers in the back of the cabinet when the cabinet is in its inclined test position. Next, check if the turntable is installed in the correct position. The opening towards the front is for 12-inch diameter test sieves, and the opening towards the back is for 8-inch diameter test sieves. Check if the sieve size selector knob is set correctly. The sieve size selector knob on the front of the control panel should be set to match the sieve's diameter. The sieve size selector knob adjusts the tapping hammer's action for proper tapping force. If the problem persists, unplug the unit. Remove the 8 upper side screws and the 2 upper control panel screws. Then remove the top panel. And slide the back panel up and off the unit and set it aside. This will expose the drive belts and pulleys. Check if any drive components are out of alignment or are broken, including the belts, pulleys, bearings, and rods. If there is a loose or broken belt, adjust the tension or replace the belt. Finally, check the cam pulley, 3 rod pulleys, drive pulley, and motor pulley to confirm that they are all secured in their shafts. The pulleys are positioned vertically on their shafts with set screws. The shafts are slotted to accommodate a key that enables the horizontal rotation of the pulleys. Ensure that the pulleys are aligned with each other at the correct height, that the set screws are tight, and that the keys are in place in the slots. If any of these parts appears faulty, contact Gilson to confirm diagnosis and arrange for a replacement part. For any questions on your Gilson Rotary or silent sifter, or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.